Welcome back to Pivot Online, where we explore the most innovative ways to make money online in 2023. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to earn $1,055 daily with a simple automated side hustle. InVideo AI. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the incredible capabilities of InVideo AI. This powerful tool is your key to effortlessly creating automated videos for YouTube and beyond. Imagine turning simple sentences into engaging, full-length videos, all within the 5 to 15 minute sweet spot that keeps your viewers engaged. With InVideo AI, you'll discover how to leverage the potential of automation to produce content at an unprecedented pace. Say goodbye to hours of manual video editing and content creation, and say hello to a streamlined, efficient process that maximizes your productivity. Throughout this tutorial, we'll delve into the ins and outs of InVideo AI, unlocking its potential for transforming your content creation game. Stay tuned to learn how this tool can revolutionize your video production and help you achieve your content creation goals effortlessly. Demonstration of InVideo AI. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of using InVideo AI to create a powerful motivational video. First, we'll explore the various options and settings within the tool. You'll have control over fundamental aspects, such as the type of video you intend to create, be it a full-length YouTube video, a YouTube short, a recent events video, or simply a script for your video. Additionally, you will have the choice to determine video length, select your desired topic, choose background music, make voice selections, and establish the overall tone of your video. Once we've set the parameters, InVideo AI springs into action, generating a motivational video that aligns with your specific instructions. The final result will feature motivational narration accompanied by carefully chosen imagery to reinforce the message. By the end of this demonstration, you'll have a clear understanding of how InVideo AI can empower you to effortlessly create compelling and inspiring content. Despite this amazing capability that you have now found, remember that this content is AI generated, so don't be afraid to keep making multiple versions of your video. Watch your videos from the eyes of a viewer and then select the result that you believe would most resonate with your audience. By utilizing InVideo AI in content creation, combined with your unique vision, you can ensure that your content will be compelling and deeply resonating, giving you that automatic money farm that you desire. Editing the videos. In this segment, we will guide you through the process of effectively editing your generated video using InVideo AI. We'll start by exploring the intuitive interface of InVideo AI, where you can seamlessly make alterations to your videos. You'll learn how to replace or modify video clips effortlessly, ensuring your content aligns perfectly with your vision. Additionally, we'll delve into script customization. You can adjust the script to align it perfectly with your video's message, style, and tone by using advanced settings such as audience, look and feel, and platform. This allows for a fully personalized and cohesive video presentation. The beauty of InVideo AI lies in its automatic adaptation capabilities. After you've made these edits, the tool effortlessly adapts the video to seamlessly incorporate your changes, ensuring a polished final product that reflects your creative vision. Export. Once you've perfected your video using InVideo AI, it's time to export your masterpiece. Exporting is a crucial step in bringing your creation to life. To do this, simply navigate to the export settings within the InVideo AI interface. Here, you can specify the desired video format, resolution, and quality settings. Once you've configured these options to your satisfaction, click the Export button, and InVideo AI will efficiently process and render your video. Depending on the complexity of your project and your chosen settings, this may take some time, but once it's complete, you'll have a high-quality, polished video ready to share with your audience. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Costs and benefits. When considering the cost and benefits of using this tool, it's important to highlight its remarkable cost-effectiveness. With a monthly subscription starting at just $20, it provides an affordable gateway to unlocking your creative potential and streamlining your content creation process. What's truly exciting is that the potential returns from these automated videos can significantly outweigh this subscription cost. By garnering views on platforms like YouTube, leveraging AdSense revenue, and strategically placing affiliate links in your content, you have the opportunity to create a revenue stream that effortlessly covers the tool's monthly fee. Think of it as an investment in your content creation journey, one that not only empowers you to produce high-quality videos efficiently, but also opens doors to monetization opportunities. Over time, the benefits can far exceed the initial cost, making it a smart choice for content creators looking to maximize their earnings while minimizing their expenses. So, don't hesitate to explore this tool's potential and reap the financial rewards it can offer. Options and expansion. Expanding your creative horizons is key, and with this tool, possibilities abound. It's important to note that its capabilities stretch far beyond just motivational videos. While those are undeniably powerful, this tool opens doors to a wide array of content types. Whether you're keen to craft engaging listicle-style videos that captivate your audience, jump into the world of quick and attention-grabbing YouTube shorts, or create compelling content tailored for platforms like Instagram and TikTok, this tool has you covered. By diversifying your content across these various formats, you can effectively reach and engage different audiences across multiple platforms, amplifying your online presence and impact. So if you've been hesitating, wondering if this tool can fit your content creation needs, rest assured that it's a versatile companion ready to help you explore new horizons and expand your creative possibilities. The only limit is your imagination. The Pivot Online Verdict. In conclusion, I want to offer you a hearty dose of encouragement. The opportunity presented by this side hustle is nothing short of remarkable, especially when considering the vast and ever-growing audience on platforms like YouTube. I firmly believe in your potential to not just dip your toes, but to dive headfirst into the world of content creation. You possess a unique perspective, insights, and passions that can resonate with viewers all over the world. So I urge you to take that first step. Start your YouTube journey today. It may seem daunting, but remember, every successful YouTuber began with a single video. Don't underestimate the power of your voice and the impact you can have. Embrace the learning curve, and don't be discouraged by initial challenges. With dedication, creativity, and the right tools at your disposal, you can create content that inspires, entertains, and informs. The world is waiting to hear your story, and there's no better time to start than now. Your YouTube adventure begins today, and I can't wait to see where it takes you. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.